Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use a Wi-Fi show password app. First, locate and download a trusted Wi-Fi password viewing application from your device's official app store. Ensure the app has high ratings and positive reviews to guarantee its legitimacy and safety. Once downloaded, open the application and be ready to grant it necessary permissions for accessing your device's network information. This initial step is crucial for the app to function effectively and retrieve stored Wi-Fi details. Always prioritize security by choosing well-vetted applications. Upon opening the application for the first time, you will likely encounter prompts requesting specific permissions. These are critical for the app to scan your device's system files and identify stored Wi-Fi credentials. Carefully review and grant the necessary access, such as location or storage, as declining these will prevent the app from performing its intended function. Remember, giving an app too many permissions can be a security risk, so only grant what is essential for its operation. Once permissions are granted, locate the Scan or Show Passwords button within the application interface. Tapping this will initiate a quick scan of your device's system for all stored Wi-Fi network configurations. Within approximately 3 to 5 seconds, you should see a comprehensive list populate on your screen. This list will include the network names, or SSIDs, alongside their respective passwords, making them readily accessible for your review. Take your time to locate the specific network you are interested in. Most Wi-Fi password viewer apps provide convenient options for exporting or sharing the recovered network details. You might find buttons to export as text or share located near the bottom of the screen. This allows you to save the list to your device, or perhaps send it to a trusted friend or family member. Always be mindful of security when sharing sensitive information like passwords. Consider sharing only over secure, encrypted channels to prevent unauthorized access and maintain network safety.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.